Hello students, welcome back. Today we are going to learn about chapter 5 decimal numbers. So let's start. Decimal. Any number shown with a decimal point, a number based upon tens or hundreds are known as decimal numbers. Here examples are given, that is 0.2, 0.375, 86.4. Now let's understand about these numbers. In this picture you can see that the number is 17.48 are given, where 17 is known as a whole part, or you can see that integral decimal part. Point is known as decimal point. 4 out of 10, so it is read by 4 tenths, and 8 upon 100, that is known as 800. So in this way we are going to read about 17.48. Now again, for your better understand, 17.591. Here you can see that 17 is integral or whole number, 5 upon 10, 9 upon 100 and 1 upon 1000. Here 7 unit place and 1 tenth. Here you can see that they are bigger, and while going to this point they are going to be a smaller, and this point is known as decimal point. Now like and unlike decimal. Like decimal, decimal having the same number of decimal places are called like decimal. For example, 9.82, 6.03, 15.58. So you can see that 820358 are like decimals, each having 2 decimals. Now unlike decimal, decimals having different number of decimal places are called unlike decimals. 6.4 has only 1 decimal place. 8.93 have 2 decimal places. 12.065 have 3 decimal places. So we are called them to unlike decimal numbers. For more understanding, here examples also given. You can see that 0.37, 4.39, 5.04, 264.93 and 46.47. 2 or more decimals are said to be like decimals if the number of digits in their decimal parts is same. Here 0.7, 4.39, 54.014, 2.2113. 2 or more decimals are said to be unlike decimals if the number of digits in the decimal part is different. Now let's perform some examples. We have to write decimal number with 1 decimal place, decimal number with 2 decimal place, and decimal number with 3 decimal places. So you can see that 0.4 has only 1 decimal place. 4.5 also have only 1 decimal place. Now 2.31, yes, it has 2 decimal place. 3.62 also have 2 decimal place. Now The remaining number, students, you have to do practice and give me the answer in chat box. Next, comparing decimal numbers. Students, for comparing decimal numbers, we have to convert unlike decimal to like decimal, and then we have to first compare whole number, or we can say integral of the decimal numbers, and after that we have to compare decimal places to arrange it in ascending or descending order. So you can see that align the decimal points. You can see here there are two numbers, 9.25 and the second one is 9.7. So first there are the line between decimal points. Fill place values with 0. You can see here there are no any numbers, so we are going to fill this number with 0. Compare digits from left to right until they are different. You can see here first whole numbers that are completely same, so we are going to left to right. See, first we are going to compare 2 and 7. So 7 is greater than 2. So we can say that 9.7 is greater than 9.25. Next, for more understanding, students, you can see there in this example 23.75 and 23.89. First we start with comparing whole numbers, where you can see that 23 equal to 23, and after that we are going to compare decimal parts, and we are going to left to right. So first we are going to compare 7 and 8, because here you can see that after this is the first, and you can see 8 is greater. So we can say that 23.89 is greater than 23.79. Students, if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.